Yeah, it's another tutorial going down, and you know how we do it, you know how we get it, so let's get right into it. Dun, 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 dun. It all begins with you. Yes, you, yes, you, yes, you. Okay, and today let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you start, you begin with customize channel. Yay! It's like this season, it has a whole lot to do with customize channel. Yes, we want to make our channel look beautiful and amazing. Before we get into that tutorial, I want to teach you how to get these icons dropped down here at the chart bar of your channel. So a lot of people have been asking how that gets done. Where you do this, some people think it's when you've reached a particular number of subscribers or a particular number of watch hours and all that. No, you have it there regardless of how many subscribers you had. I had it on here before I got to my 1,000 subscribers. I don't even have the cutoff watch hours yet. So this is where we go to. You know, we have home, videos, playlists, community channels, and about. That's where you go to get to fill in those links. So I already have those links on there. That's the point. So it just might not make so much sense to you. But if your channel has not had it yet, you go to about page. When you go to the about page, you have these places here. You know, first you have to fill in your description, you know, just right here. You know, most of these things, you're not going to see them if you don't play with your cursor. You know, you have to play with your cursor on them, and then you're going to see this part. So I can actually edit this and add things that maybe I forgot to put in there. Maybe I didn't write it well. And I was told by Affiliates with Diana, I learned from her channel, that the first 25 words really matter. So if you're doing something, let those things be captured in the first 25 words in your description box. You could add any other thing at the end, but the most essentials of your about page, whatever you do on your channel, should come up around the first 25 words that appear in this particular description box. And the next box you have is details. So I always put my email there for business. Location is really basically none because we're global. And then you have this last box here that has links. You can put as many links as possible. So if you're on varied social media platforms, you can put all the links down there. You can put as many links as possible. You just click on that, edit, and then you just begin to put the links. You know, this is how you put the links, because when you come here, it's going to be like this kind of page, and then you have this button, add. It says add. When you click on this button, it's going to give you this space, and then you write Facebook. Then you go to Facebook, like this is my Facebook right here. I just go there and copy this URL link. This is the URL link right up here. So I just copy this link and I come and paste it there. I already did it before. You go to YouTube. This is my YouTube link. I just copy this URL and go paste it here. So you paste the URL on this side and you write the particular social media platform on this other side. And you can add as many as possible. So see, if I do add, it gives me another space. If I do add, it gives me another space. I used to think you needed just 10, but I've done this add, and it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. So you can put as many links as possible. And when you're done putting in those links, you have to click on done. If not, it's not going to save. And then the links are highlighted here. So it makes it easy for someone who comes to your channel and probably wants to go to your Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn. I'm an Amazon associate actually. And whatever channel you have. Some people have TikTok, some people have High Five, some people have all sorts of channels, all sorts of social media platforms they're on. You can actually put them on here, as many as possible, but just 5 are going to appear on the drop down. Just 5 of them are going to appear on this drop down. So that's it for today about that particular this particular tutorial. That's it for today. I hope you learned something. I hope you can also teach someone. You can put your business details there. Some people have their contacts there because they have their business contacts. You can also put it there. You can put the location. I already told you, when you come here, you need to play with the cursor a little bit to see the edit button, and that's how you get to edit. Maybe you have 2 or 3 emails, you can actually add them there, and then you can put as many links as possible to all your social media platforms. You have to play with the cursor at the end of these things to be able to get those edit buttons appearing, because if you just come there, you just might not see them. So that's what we have for today. If you need us to do any more tutorials, just let us know in the comment section and we'll be at your service. Yes, people, so after the amazing tutorial, I felt like I should sing a song for you, and I don't know, I guess someone who's going to be watching this video will definitely need this song, and so let me go ahead and sing it. It's just for you who is feeling down, it's just for you who is feeling bad, and you're about to give up because things are not working the way you expected them to work on YouTube, and you're almost at the verge of giving up. So this song is saying you shouldn't give up. I just can't give up now. Oh no, I can't. I've come too far from where I started from. Nobody's saying the road would be easy, and I don't believe God's brought you this far to leave you. No, no, no. You just can't give up now. Oh no, you can't. You've come too far from where you started from. Nobody's saying the road would be easy, and you don't believe He's brought you this far to leave you. There would be battles that you would have to fight, and there would be mountains that you would have to climb, but victory or defeat is up to you to decide. But how can you expect to win if you never try? So you just can't give up now. Oh no, you can't. You've come too far from where you started from. Nobody's saying the road would be easy, and I don't believe God brought you this far to leave you. Never said there wouldn't be trials. Never said that you wouldn't fail. Never said that everything would go the way you want it to go. But when you feel your back is against the wall and you feel all hope is gone, you just lift your head up to the sky and say, help me to be strong. You just can't give up now. Oh no, we can't. We've come too far from where we started from. Nobody told us the road would be easy, and we don't believe His brought us this far to leave us. You just can't give up. You just can't give up now. Oh no, you can't. You've come too far from where you started from. Nobody told me to. The road would be easy, and I don't believe God brought us this far to leave us. Are you at 50 subscribers? Are you at 10? Are you at 20? Are you at 15? Are you at 8? Are you at whatever number it is? Don't give up. You've come this far. You started from 0 and you're at the point you are. Nobody's saying that it's going to be easy. But of course, if you've come this far, God is not about leaving you halfway. He's good at taking you to the end of everything that He starts. So yeah, click, tell us every other tutorial you want us to do, and maybe another song you want me to sing on the next tutorial. I'll be at your service. So yes, if this tutorial was very useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section and we'll be at your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way, way more. Bye-bye.